Another day of me selling Oreo, may pick up Colorado. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako. So guys, nilagyan ko pala yan ng Mud Flaps Rough USA. So ayan. Hi, good morning. Margo, hello. Say good morning, Dad. Say good morning.
Mommy!
I'm here. Hi, say hi first to the vlog. Say hi guys. Hi guys, you just woke up. Say hi guys. Try. So, sa mga may interested at sa mga may gusto itong si Oreo My Pickup Colorado, alam niyo na, you know what to do. You just message me guys. So today, samahan niyo muna ako sa aming little adventure dahil si Margo ay enjoy naman natin for today. So today is kanyang araw. Punta kami sa Kidzuna at paglalaro naman natin itong batang to kasi soloista to eh. Kumbaga palagi siyang naghahanap siya ng kalaro ba. So ngayon, maglaro naman siya sa labas. Yun. Sa mga hindi nakapanood ng video ko last time, kaya baka nagtataka kayo, Saksi Ken, Kuya Saksi Ken, bakit di ka na nagpapagupit? Ba't ganyan yung hair mo parang may tumutubo dito? Ay, yay. Sorry, I'm speaking Tagalog, Marco. So, kasi hindi na ako nagpapagupit dahil nga sabi ko, pag nabenta ko na si Oreo, tayo ay magpapagupit na. So kaya kailangan bilhin nyo na si Oreo para makapagpagupit na tayo. Kaya tingnan mo, haba na ng bigot at balbas na rin. Di tayo nagpapagupit. Ayan, may tumutubong kung saan. Excited na ako sa ating new hairstyle. So, hi! Say bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Flying kiss! Mwah! Say love you!
Thank you.
So, one more. Love you!
Thank you.
Okay. Hi you! It's Margo's first time ba? Dito sa Simbacor.
No, I think. Not sure. I think so.
Margo! Wow! Wait, Margo, I can't go there. Wait for Daddy. Yay! We're playing! Say hi! Hi, everybody! Here! Margo, look! Yay! Si Kuya, oh. Look! Wow!
For you!
Galing, oh.
Ang galing! Oh.
Oh. You gonna slide, Margo? Grab it. Whoa. Grab it. Okay. Dance, Margo.
Same as the honey. Okay.
Okay, snap. Dance. Oh, snap. Dance. Show your dance moves. Margo and Mommy are playing here. Hey, can I order some food?
You say, here's your order.
Where's my coffee?
Coffee, Daddy.
Where's my coffee, Margo? Can you give me my coffee, please? I think that's ready. Thank you.
And here's your coffee.
Thanks, Margo. Laro-laro siya, no? Ma'am, can I order, ma'am, some ice cream?
Thank you.
Please? Can I have some, please? Thank you. My ice cream here. Put the ice cream here.
Okay.
Like this. Thank you.
Wow.
Sushi. Put the sushi here. There's egg. Here. Tomago. Here, change, Mommy.
Thank you.
Go, Margo. Isa. Marunong na mag-garong-garong. Okay. Let daddy. Okay. Ay, ayoko na gano'n. Ito, bakit? Here. Margo, look. Ang hirap. Margo, upang... Ang hirap nung makadali. Break time muna si Margo. Dito muna tayo sa fa.
Go, go, use your chopsticks.
Wala siya makain dito eh. May baon siya.
Go, go.
Go with, ano? Oh, eat na, eat. Eat first.
Eat.
The famous fa.
No, that's spicy.
Margo, pick that up. Pick your unicorn. Galing yung pagkakadaan yung unicorn. Pick your... You already have a bike at home. Come on na.
Yeah.
So yun lang mga bunso, no? So kapag gusto nyo itong sasakyan na to, available pa rin naman siya. Message me lang. Kaya-kaya ito, murang-mura na lang siya. So unti-unti kong sinisiwalat ko ano yung in-upgrade ko dito kay Oreo. So kung nagustuhan nyo itong sasakyan na to, message nyo lang ako. Kung di man, baka share nyo sa inyong family. So kita-kita ulit tayo sa next video natin mga bunso. Samahan nyo ulit ako bukas. Bye-bye. Sheesh. Keep shape.